Alright guys, what's up? Steve Mingle, Final Web Design. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how I'm going to go through do all my Joomla updates for CMS extensions using Claude Code. So let's get into it. Final Web Design, this is Steve. Alright guys, so I want to show you right now, I'm currently in the back of my Joomla CMS. I said, can you help me go through the website and update the Joomla platform and all plugins, extensions to make sure everything is up to date and secure. As you can see here, I am logged in and it has gone through. It says I have checked the Joomla core updates are up to date, and here's all of the updates to keep a backup, contact form, the easy blog, all are minor point releases, no major version jumps. So should I go ahead and run a new Akiba backup? No. Should I go ahead and update the extensions? No Akiba backup is needed. And the reason I don't need to do that is because I have cPanel backups on the server. So if anything does go wrong, I'm not going to restore it through Akiba anyways. I'm going to tell it though to go forward. Please go forward with the 9 extension updates. So now I'm essentially told it what to do. Let's see it go through here. It's going through and looking at all of the updates that it told us about. It said on the extension update package, I see 9 extensions. Click update. I'm going to approve the plan. So basically it's going through, it's acknowledged each of the updates that need to be done. Hopefully it will do the automatic updates itself right through the Joomla. As you can go through and kind of update through clicks, you can see right here, it's actually navigated to the update button. It's actually selected all of them at once. It is up here right now selecting updates. So if I usually do the updates myself, I wouldn't go forward and update all of them at once, just because sometimes that can cause issues. However, it looks like that's the approach that they took. So we'll continue to watch it. It's updating and I'll get back when it's finished. So here it's looking for the updates of the core Joomla, capturing the page, and running as it should. So just to follow up, as you can see here, it says all 9 extension updates have been applied successfully. Akiba convert forms, I have verified and afterwards by pre-running check for all updates. 2 things I noticed: the dashboard aren't part of what you say. Okay, so essentially just wanted to show you that it has gone through and done the 9 updates. So our WordPress site should be good to go. I'll go in and verify, but that's the process, and that really helps, because going through and doing that manually, yes, it can be done through one click if everything goes right, but ultimately having Claude go through, do it all for you is very nice. So catch you in the next one. Peace.